Hi, friends. We've been learning about water, and this week we're talking about why water is important. One of the reasons why water is important is because plants need them to grow, and we need plants to get fresh air and food. So I thought we could talk a little bit about how a plant drinks. So think about it. I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about how a plant drinks water. Doesn't have a mouth, can't put a straw in. Hmm. Some of you said through its roots, and you are correct. Plants have different parts, and one of the parts of the plants are called roots. So I have a book here that's going to tell us what roots are, why they're important to a plant, and how they work. Plants need roots to keep from falling over. Roots grow down into the ground. So these are roots. Here's your tree. And here are the roots. The tree is in water. And the roots go down. And we can see the top parts of the roots, but they go down into the sand. If it was on land, it would go down into the soil. And it keeps the plant, or in this case, the tree, which is a kind of plant, upright, standing straight. So kind of think of your feet as the base of the roots. And if you had little tiny things growing out of your feet and they stuck into the ground, and it would help you stand up straight and keep you from falling over. Roots get food for the whole plant. They suck up food and water from the soil. So here we see a plant. Here's its stem. We have leaves. And here are its roots. And its roots are inside the dirt. And the water and food get sucked up into the roots and travel up to the stem, into the leaves, and into the flower if it's a flower, or into the vegetables or whatever it's growing. Roots send food up the plant stem. This is a tree, so the trunk is a stem. Stems carry food to the rest of the plant. Long tree roots spread out under the soil. They search for water below. So here we have a tree, and you can see the root system starting above the ground, and then it goes underneath the ground. Shallow cactus roots soak up rain quickly. They store water for the plant. Water lily roots grow down into the mud. Roots keep the plants from floating away. Roots we eat. There are some roots that we eat. Carrots are the top, carrots are the tap roots of green leafy carrot plants. So when you grow a carrot, you don't see the carrot. The carrot's underground. You see the green tops that stick out. If you pull a carrot out from under the ground, there will be tiny little roots that come out from the carrot that help the carrot get water and food to the rest of the plant. Turnips are root vegetables. They taste good in soups and salads. So you see this is the root. This is the top part of the root. This would be the flower that grows out. From here down, this would be underground. So you wouldn't see anything but maybe the very top of the turnip. And here are the little tiny roots that stick out, which would be the same on a carrot. A little bit different, but the same concept. Deep or shallow, thick or thin, roots help plants stay alive. So friends, we can see how roots work by doing an experiment. So I'm going to get that all set up so that I can show you what to do, and then you can do it on your own. I'll be right back.